Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my channel, Mobile Tech Know-how, and today I'll be showing you something different. I'll be showing you today how you can go about apps on your phone that are maybe having some issues. Maybe they are not working properly. Maybe sometimes you try to open and it takes time to load and you are thinking of deleting the app, uninstalling the app to install a new one. Please, you don't have to do that. You don't have to uninstall the app to install it again. There's something you do that will make your app to be brand new as it was when you first download the app. So please I repeat, do not delete the app, please. So I'm gonna show you something now. One of my apps here. I'll go down for an app that I can show you. Okay, my Zoom app down there. Click on Zoom. Now look at it. My Zoom app is already signed in. You can see my email is already here. So what I want to do now, I want to show you how to make this app as brand new as when you first installed it. Remember, when you make it brand new, that means everything that used to be in it will be off it. So it's starting afresh as an app you just got from Play Store. So here's what we're gonna do. Now let's take this off and go to settings. Settings. Here is settings. Please, mine here is called app management. That's where you go to look for your app manager. App management, you have default apps, app settings, app updates, app launch, permission manager, special app access, screen time. Please click on app settings and scroll down to where the app you want to work on. Click on it, look for where it is and click on it. So mine is Zoom, so I think it should be bottom. Should be the last thing on this. Okay, Zoom is here. So Zoom has 424 megabytes of data. So click on it. Now look for something here called storage and cache. Storage and cache. Please, that is what you are concerned about. That is what would make your app to become brand new, because when you have too much data on this part, this storage, your app tends to be slow depending on your phone. So when you are able to clear this, you see clear storage, clear cache. When you're able to clear this, your phone, your app becomes brand new. So as soon as you can get this off, everything becomes new. So I'll be clearing storage. Say all this apps data will be deleted permanently. This includes all files, settings, accounts, and database. So if I do this, everything goes off. The app size itself is 374 megabytes. That is what we left. So let's go back to where our Zoom is now. And look for Zoom. Click on it. And here you go. You can see this is the original screen you will see when you install Zoom for the first time. Anything to get started with your account, join a meeting, sign up and sign in. So you do not have to delete the app to get it working again. Like I said, you might have to lose your data. Basically, when you delete the app, you still lose your data. So the stress of you having to download the app over again is what I'm trying to make sure you avoid. So please just do what I've showed you. Go to your settings, go to your app management, go to app settings, then go down to the app and click on it and clear your storage, and everything becomes brand new. As simple as that.